Hello students, I welcome you all back to U2U IAS. So, UPSC Civil Services Preliminary Examination result is out in the official website, that is upsc.gov.in. So the candidates whoever have got selected in the preliminary examination, the entire list of roll numbers are being given in the official website in this particular manner. And whether your candidature is selected or not, you can directly search in this particular PDF. Okay, guys. Now, after the result is out, now it is a time to fill the detailed application form for the civil services main examination. Now, the entire details of the detailed application form, when to fill, where to upload, what are all the documents that are essential, everything shall be provided by UPSC in a very short time. That is what is provided here. The candidature of these candidates is provisional. In accordance with the rule of examination, all these candidates have to apply again in detailed application form for main examination. The dates and important instruction for filling of DAF and its submission will be announced in due course on the website of the commission. Okay, so if you have any queries with regard to your result, the cutoff, everything, the cutoff score, what is the cutoff for SC, cutoff for ST, cutoff for OBC, cutoff for EWS, everything shall be uploaded only after the complete process of the examination. That is, it shall not be announced now, it shall be announced later on, that is after the declaration of the final result. Here you can say only after the declaration of the final result the cutoff and other areas shall be discussed. So UPSC have also now facilitation counter near examination hall building in its premise at Dolpur House, Shah Jahan Road in New Delhi. Candidates can obtain information, clarification regarding the result to the above mentioned examination on all working days between 10 to 5 in person, or you can call to this number if you have any queries, that is 011 233 85271, or another number is given 011 230 98543, or 011 233 81125. So what kind of issues you face, like you are scoring good in paper 1, you are scoring good in paper 2, sorry, you are scoring good in CSAT, but still your candidature is not been selected, then you may ask, or you may ask for a any kind of information that is related to the question paper, any controversy questions or something like that. Clear? So but most probably the information that you seek here will be with relation to the information of detailed application form. Okay guys, so that's it for now. Do start preparation for your mains examination. All the very best. Keep watching U2U IAS. Thank you. Jai Hind.